students, in this video we will learn to attach a file with an email. To attach a file with an email, in the new message window, click on Attach File icon. The open dialog box appears. Browse and select the required file. After selecting the file, click on Open. Notice that a blue bar appears indicating that the selected file has started uploading. Soon after the completion of uploading, the name of the file turns into a link. Likewise, we can upload multiple files. We can also insert files from drives. We can insert photos. We can insert links. And we can also insert emojis. In this way, we can add attachment to an email. Thank you.